that this BBI should not be proposed. The proponents are in a dark room. Take it to the people. Explain to the people. And I was very, very shocked. Very shocked. And I want to challenge him, the former Prime Minister, lying openly that if BBI passes, Turkana County will get 20 million. I want to challenge him. 20 billion. I want to challenge him. There's mathematics, you know. I remember the little algebra I did when I was in school. And quadratic equation. Turkana in the formula in BBI. And I want them to challenge me. And I'm challenging them to a contest. Turkana, Marsabit, Isiolo, Tana River, Lamu, Samburu, Wajir, Mandera. If BBI passes, the Tharaka Nithi, they are the 8 counties that are losing. I am challenging the ODM brigade led by the former Prime Minister. Don't lie to the people. At your age, you don't lie. No, at your age, no. At your age, you don't lie. And I want to thank the governor of Turkana. I want to challenge them. In that formula in BBI, if you do the mathematics, Mr. Odinga, if you do the mathematics, Turkana County now is getting 11 billion, Turkana County will get 9.8 billion. I'm not saying it. So you can see a whole proponent of BBI is lying to the people of Turkana. And the same thing, he wants to come to Mandera and lie. And if you go to these counties, in fact, the 2-3 worst counties that are losing over 2 billion is Isiolo, Lamu, and Tana River. Thank you very much.